Hey, I'm Chris from Mobility Solutions, AffordableMedicalUSA.com. I'm going to pull out the GoGo Sport real quick. The lady up front wants it, so I was going to shoot a little better video. Basically, when all this comes in, it's packaged really well. We unload 3 or 4 of these a day, so it's a lot, but there's a 12 volt, 17 amp hour batteries that are in this unit. It comes with a larger basket than most of the GoGos. Has a 325 pound weight capacity. It'll come with extra shrouds. You can change the shrouds from red to blue. So that will come in here. Inside this box will be your manual. Your manual will have your key, some extra little pins, and your serial number, so keep that. Also have an instructions thing, tells you what to do. In this box we'll see your armrest. Your charger. This is a seat post. Your charger. And then just get all the styrofoam out. So on the box it will tell you how to open it. For me, I'm just gonna take it apart, lift it out. You could cut this down and just roll it right out of here. Okay, there's a lot of styrofoam. Here's your seat. It's a swivel seat. It's not a slide, it's a swivel. Take this off. And how I'll do this is I'm going to disconnect it right here, and I'm just going to pick this thing right up. So the specs will be on the front. So there's a bunch of different GoGos. This one's the more weight capacity, has bigger tires, comes with a upgraded heavy duty batteries, bigger basket. These can be changed. Before you put that in, you want to charge this battery, completely charge it. You'll take this out. A lot of packaging, guys. Grab this, took out the manual. You have different seat height posts. And you're going to want to charge this completely. It says that on the sticker. We'll cut that packaging off. We'll put that on the charger. How you charge it, you plug your charger into this port right here. And then you also will charge it through this on the other side. There's a charging station right here. So we'll do a review on this later, but the next couple steps is pretty simple. Basket on the front. Grab the seat. Put the seat right on. Charger's right here. Extra shrouds right there. Armrest can be adjusted. There's some pins that come with it if you don't want to use these. If you want to take it apart, put it in the car. So you can adjust this out in width. Put the next one on. There's a chart pocket back here, which I'll probably put the manuals in. This right here is going to be your receiver for an oxygen tank holder. or a basket, walker holder, whatever you need to do. So this is the GoGo Sport by Pride Mobility. It does have a front light, battery indicator, speed, comes with 2 keys. The model's an S74. That might be wrong. I'll update it. So pretty easy to put together. My name's Chris. I'm with affordablemedicalusa.com. Give us a call at 803-926-2224 or click the link below in the description and go straight to this scooter. Thank you and have a great day.